Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon KDP account for print on demand step by step clearly. Visit the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing website. Click on the sign up button located on the top right corner of the page. If you already have an Amazon account, enter your login details. If you don't have an account, scroll down and select Create your KDP account. Fill in your name, email address, and a password for your new account. Click on Create your Amazon account to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the KDP website to continue the registration process. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the KDP dashboard. Click on the Account tab found in the top navigation bar. Complete your author information, including your name and author biography. Next, move to the Payment Information section. Choose your preferred payment method for royalties. Enter your bank details accurately to avoid any payment issues. Now, go to the Tax Information section. Fill out the necessary forms regarding tax identification. Be sure to follow the prompts carefully and submit the required information. After completing all sections, review your entries for accuracy. Once satisfied, click on Save and Continue to finalize your setup. You will now have access to your Amazon KDP account. You are ready to start publishing print-on-demand books. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.